this material world has so many sense objects. It has got the living entity is endowed with senses also, working senses and knowledge acquiring senses, with which the purpose of creating all this is to give experience to the jiva of happiness and distress. The whole purpose behind the creation is to give experience to the jiva. And to create that experience, there are these various principles of 5 which are created. Whereas when according to modern branches of knowledge, when they study this material world, they do not come from the perspective of understanding that this material world is created to give us experience. They think experience is a product of matter. They do not understand that experience is the basis of this entire creation. They think somewhere along the line, by chance, some experiences come into play. So, but if you see everywhere in all life forms, whether it is animals, birds, human beings, everywhere the experience is the 5 only. The sense of sound, touch, taste, smell. These 5 only is there everywhere. So you can understand it is not by chance. If it is by chance, then maybe, okay, we have sound, taste, smell, all these things. Other jivas, other life forms must have other kinds of experiences. But that's not like that. Every life form, you have these 5 principles. These interactions of these 5 sense objects to different degrees. But the basic experience is all these 5 only. The sense of touch, smell, form, taste, sound. These 5 only. And therefore, we can understand that if you look at it from that perspective, every life form, these are the 5 common objects which all the living entities, all the life forms interact with. That means this whole material world is created with the purpose of giving the experience to the jiva of pleasure and distress through these 5 principles of sound, touch, form, taste and smell. And that is how this is pervading everywhere. And therefore you see the analysis of the Bhagavatam is saying that the source of the creation, that's why the beginning of the creation, the first thing that is produced is from the false ego, these 5 principles are formed. Then the jivas are put into this material world. It is not the other way, that first jivas are put, then slowly senses are created, sense objects are created. No. First all these things are created. According to modern science, what happens is the jiva, the primordial soup, one single-celled simple organism came into existence. Slowly it became more and more complex. Then slowly it gained the sense of touch. Then slowly the sense of sight, etc., etc. But in the Bhagavatam, the analysis is the opposite. First, the senses and the sense objects were created. Why? Because the reason is Daiva Choditat. The creation is being made to give the jiva experience which he is desiring and deserving. So experience, how do you give the experience? First you have to create the objects of experience. First you have to create the medium of experience, which is through the interactions between the sense objects and the senses. So first they are created, then the jivas are put into this material world. So you will see as we go along, first these things are created, then the various forms are created, forms of living entities, so that to different degrees you can experience different things. Humans have a certain capacity to enjoy the senses of sight, form, taste, etc. Now if you look at a vulture, it has got a greater sense of sight. If you look at a dog, it has got a greater sense of smell and maybe sound also. So different life forms are created with varying degrees of the experiences arising out of the interactions between the senses and sense objects. And then once these varieties, because why so many varieties? Because that many desires, that many kinds of desires the living entity has. Therefore, different life forms are created which have different degrees of experiences associated with the interactions between the same 5 sense objects and same 5 senses. This is common amongst all life forms. but the experiences are to different degrees. And then the jivas are put into different life forms according to the desires that they possess and according to how much they deserve those desires to be fulfilled. And that is how, at the very beginning of creation, the first things that are created are the false ego, and from it, the principles of five. Then, as we see, as we go along, then the living entities are put into this material world.